Hello, we're in Wrigleyville doing some apartment tours. We're going to take a look at this 2-bedroom here on Seminary and Grace. There's the corner of Seminary and Grace right over there. And going the other way is Wrigley Field, about a block down, home of the Chicago Cubs. And that's where the CTA L station is, over there on Addison and Sheffield, about 3 blocks away. So come on in. We're going to take a quick look at this 2-bedroom gem on Seminary Street. Those would be your mailboxes if you moved in here. So take a look. This is a small 2-bedroom. We're going to start up here first. We'll see the living room. You kind of walk in past the bedrooms and you see the living room. It's got air conditioning there. And there's a lot of closets. There's a hall closet. Here's another hall closet. It's a very big closet. We're backing up. This is where we just came in. This is bedroom 1. It's got a closet there in the corner. Nice big room. That's a full-size bed, but as you can see, a queen-size fit just fine in here too. We're going to circle around. Here's the bathroom. Nice bathroom. Okay, we're going back over here through the living room again, and we'll see bedroom 2. And again, a good-sized bedroom. Got a closet there in the corner, and that's a full-size bed too, but there's room for a queen-size bed. Go back out here and we'll go through the living room and see the kitchen. This is the kitchen. It was redone like 3 years ago, and it's got dishwasher, lots of sunlight in this apartment. Best feature out here, have a shared back porch. There's coin laundry in the basement. Right downstairs are coin-operated laundry machines. This is just kind of a small shared deck. You can also grill down there and keep your grill out here. No grilling on the porch. You can sit out here, and then Wrigley Field is just off there to the distance. It's great to live in Wrigleyville, great to live in Lakeview. Have a nice day.